In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change speaking speed in ElevenLabs fast and easy. Have you ever found yourself needing to adjust the speed of a voiceover to better suit the tone or pacing of your project? Maybe you're looking to slow things down for clarity or speed them up for a more dynamic delivery. No matter your needs, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, making sure you feel confident and comfortable with each action you take. First, you'll want to start by opening the script box provided within the ElevenLabs interface. This is where you'll place the text you intend to convert into an audio file. Once you have your script ready, we're going to dive into the most important part, utilizing the prosody tag. The prosody tag is a powerful tool that allows us to control various aspects of the audio output, such as pitch, volume, and critically, speed. To adjust the speaking rate, you'll wrap your text in a prosody tag like this. Your text here. This little bit of code acts like a set of instructions for the voice synthesis portion of the process, signaling how the text should be transformed into audio. It's important to note that while the example here uses fast, you're not limited to just this option. The beauty of using ElevenLabs lies in its flexibility. To explore other speeds, simply replace fast with either slow or medium, depending on your preference and the context of the script. Each of these options adjusts the speed to different preset levels, giving you control over the reading pace. However, if you're looking for a more tailored approach, you can also specify a percentage to fine-tune the speed precisely to your liking. For instance, using rate 80% will slow down the speech compared to the original, while rate 120% will give it a bit more speed. Once you've wrapped your text in the appropriate prosody tag with your desired speed setting, it's time for the exciting part. Generating the audio. Click the Generate option to instantly transform your text into an audio file. This step is relatively straightforward, but ensure you give it a listen once the process is complete. Hearing the results can provide great insight into whether the speed feels natural and is in line with your expectations. This is your opportunity to make any necessary adjustments to ensure the final product is exactly what you need. And there you have it. Your text is now converted into audio at the perfect speed. Whether for professional projects or personal endeavors, mastering this technique should enhance the way you utilize this versatile tool. It's quick, easy, and remarkably effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with different speeds to meet your project demands.